Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved these polygel nails. Now this was my first goal, so guys, if I'm making mistakes, please don't attack me, okay? Anyways, so as you can see, I've already done my other 4 nails and I only have my thumb left to do. I've already removed my old nail polish, so I'm just going in with my gel and removing any excess nail polish that I didn't remove with my nail polish remover. This is what the nail looked like when I was finished drilling, and it looks kind of cute. Basically my nail bit kind of like was falling apart and I just got my nail glue and like glued it together because yeah, I'm a handyman and that, you get me. But anyways, so yeah, now I've got my little pot and I put some acrylic gel liquid in there, and now I have my polygel and my brush and my hydration coat. I'm now going to put that on my nails and cure it for 60 seconds. Apologies if this video is really quick, guys. I'm then gonna take a bit of this polygel and apply it to my nail. Now this polygel I got from Wish. It is really sticky, but for £1 you can't go wrong, you know what I mean? You can't really go wrong. So I just took a bit of the polygel and applied it to my nail, and I used the other end of my brush to apply it. I'm now going on with the tip of my brush to smooth out the polygel. You want to try and make the product be as smooth as possible. You don't want no lumps and bumps, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. So I'm just going ahead and trying to smooth that out as smooth as possible. And as I said, guys, this is my first go. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm just doing what I saw the girl do in the video, you know what I'm saying? So, and I'm gonna put a link in the description of the videos that I have been watching so that you guys can see who I'm inspired by or the kind of videos that I enjoy watching. So yeah, as I said, this polygel was really sticky, so I was kind of finding it a bit difficult to work with because it was so damn sticky, yo. It kept sticking to my brush. I had to like clean my brush with my cuticle pusher as I was going. I have a metal end of my cuticle pusher which I just used to clean out some excess product of that was in my brush. I wanted to also show you guys this whole step so that you guys can see how my nail kind of went from lumpy to smooth, just so you can see how I smoothed out my product. Don't forget to clean around the edges if you need to. I now cured this nail for about 4 minutes. And after I did that, I removed the sticky layer of the polygel, and then I began drilling it down just so it could be even more smooth and crispy, you know what I'm saying? Halfway through drilling, I noticed that I was actually using the wrong nail bit, so I just went ahead and dipped into my thingy and got a new nail bit so that I could get the smooth look that I was going for. I'm mainly going around my cuticle area because that's the bit that's the most important bit that I think is. So I just went around that part of my finger and just focused on that bit. Got my little brush to dust off any powder, and that's what it was looking like. Now I'm gonna file the nail down into the shape that I want. Then I went in with my cuticle oil, which is no longer cuticle oil, it is baby oil. Yes sis, it is baby oil. So yes, and I rubbed that in. And this was my finished nails, guys. And for my first time, I'm kind of proud of myself. Yeah, as you saw as well, I didn't use the Polygel dual forms. I just used a false nail because that's the way that I wanted to work, and I found it easier that way. But guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you